Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to find your computer username in Windows 11 or Windows 10 using Task Manager. Your Windows username is the name of the account currently logged into the computer. Sometimes you may need it while using command prompts, configuring network settings, or troubleshooting system issues. So let's get started. First, right click on the free space on the taskbar and select here Task Manager. You can also press Ctrl Shift and Escape keys simultaneously to open this one Task Manager window. Under Task Manager, switch to the Users tab. Here you will find the list of users currently logged into the computer. Under this section, you can easily find your Windows username along with details such as a status, CPU usage, and memory usage. That's it. This is how you can quickly find your computer username in Windows 11 or Windows 10 using Task Manager. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.